There's that little white girl with it.
Olivia, what? You need to get ready for school? It's just like 2 in the morning.
There's fridge at that time.
It's not time for school.
The toilets are a lot different.
Well, too bad. Didn't need to get ready for school. It's just like 2 in the morning. Can you please not go to school? Too bad. You need to wake up now. Yes. And we have a fire drill in about a few minutes. I don't want to do the fire drill. Class, right now it's dark outside today because we are having a fire drill in about a few minutes. What? I don't want to do the fire drill. I hate the fire alarms. We know, Olivia, but we're having a fire drill in about a few minutes. I need to go to the bathroom. Go ahead, Olivia. I'm going to pull the fire alarms. Ha 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 ha. Hey, what was that noise? I'm really sorry. You're not sorry. Go to the principal office now! Olivia, what brings you here to my office this time? I did pull the fire alarms. That's it, Olivia. I'm calling your parents right now. No, please don't. Too bad. Olivia. How dare you pull the fire alarms? That's it. You are grounded for 20 years. Go to your room now. Whee!